I'm back. Welcome back. It's real early in the morning, so I'm trying not to talk real loud. But I'm trying Duggar's mix. His flip cup sells his mix, pouring medium and gack. And I'm just going to do these flip cups. And that one's got a real little amount because you can't reuse these paints like after today, and you know, it's my first time trying to do the mix, so I don't know, little paint left over. Don't like to waste paint. I'll have to try to scrape that out and do something with it. My colors are Liquitex Cadium Yellow Medium Hue, DecoArt Americana the Tuscan Red, and then Cermacoat Velvet Teal. So let's keep our fingers crossed. Let's see if I can make Cellmania. Anyway. It's weird he doesn't spray his cups with the WD-40 silicone spray. I actually have this just to keep it focused, but so I'll probably be really cleaning out these cups. Part of my arm. Well, these look fun. Move this out of the way now. Okay, let's see. I know with this you tilt a lot of the paint off. Just want to kind of try to get the paint together. Sorry, I'm tilting away from you. It's just easier for me to use my hand that way. I really like this yellow. Don't want to lose it. So I'm going to try to keep part of it. Sorry, I'm totally tilting away from you. So this should be interesting because it is 3 different brands of paints. And I'm actually going back this way because I know he tilts off a lot of paint. I was trying to hold on to some of that yellow. But now the red is there, so that's interesting. It's like a little mouth. I still feel like I have too much paint on here. First time with it, so I actually didn't get that corner. As we all experiment with Duggar's recipe, we're also going to learn how much paint we need to pour off and that kind of stuff. So got a lot of that velvet teal, so I'm hoping that cells will come up in that. Now, I know Duggar tilts pretty quick, so I was excited when I saw some nice cells, but now I've stretched them all out, so let's see if the torch brings them up. Now Doug has a different torch than me, so I'm real careful. I don't want to go real close to my canvas because it's a different kind of torch. And I'm trying to do it like on the lowest flame so that I can torch this and hopefully get the cells to come up without burning my paint. So I've got some cells, which is totally fun. But not cells all the way in there, and I'm going to torch it some more because I got some wonky stuff. I've got a few. Before I torch again, let me just kind of show you the cells I'm getting. But there's those wonky ones from the beginning. The distorted ones underneath, that's just the shades of the other paint, and I'm wondering if I have too much paint left on the canvas. would you look at that? I do have to be more careful because, like I said, my torch is different than Doug's. So that's fun. Let's see if I can zoom you guys in a bit. I'm going to turn this around so I can try and torch this side better. See if I can get more to come up in the red. So, interesting how it'll come up in some areas but not others. And I wish my torch was lower in that. I'd have to get a new torch. And I don't know if they continue to develop, or what you get here is what you get. But it's very fun looking. Look at those cool colors. So, these are 3-ounce cups, and I think I probably had them 2/3 of the way up, because I knew I needed about 5-6 ounces for this 8x10 canvas. So I had these two filled up about there, and this one was just some leftover. Like, I probably could have put more of this red and blue in it, but it was an experiment, so. But this is fun to see. These cells. I see how one would want to just keep torching and torching. I did get distorted cells in there. But like I said, I'm not sure if I needed to tip off more paint. My paint might not have been fluid enough. I did make it a bit runnier than the warm honey. And yeah, I don't know. I don't know. You just want to keep torching it. I would love a little bit more here in the red. So let me just do it one more time. I do notice, though, when I've seen it, it's different when these kinds of cells come up, and I'm assuming it's the GAC, because it doesn't happen with cells without the GAC, but it does look like the cells are pitted, but I know it dries flat. It's just the way those cell shapes come up that kind of give it the pitty look. So I'll have to see what Doug thinks about those underlying. Probably, like I said, I have too much paint. But anyway, it was a very fun experiment. It does take the work of mixing your paints that day. I mean, right before you use them. You can't use bottled paint. I don't think. Maybe I'll experiment with that, but I would think it would be, if anything, well, I don't know. I know he worked really hard on it, so he knows whether you can have the pouring medium before the gack and all that. So thanks, Duggar, for all your hard work. This was fun. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, go ahead and click that subscribe button. If you hit the bell next to it, they'll notify you when I upload another video. If you could click like, share my video, leave a comment. I'd love to connect with you through your comments. Let me know what you think. My first effort at it, not too bad. And let me go ahead and come down and give you a close-up. So this red is kind of, let me see if I can zoom out. There we go. Bright, but it'll be the darker red of the, this looks kind of orangey here, but I do expect it to dry more red. Maybe it's the yellow, but you can see the fun cells I got. But you can see the shadowing underneath. Not quite sure where that comes from, because I'm not the scientist Doug is, but it was fun to have these nice cell shapes come up. So yeah, fun. So thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on my next video. Let me know what you think, Duggar. Bye.